Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. I welcome you to an interesting video. Let's see what are we gonna do here. You have to get these leaves and then you have to attach them in this form. Make a big smile and this girl is ready. Now let's see balloon in the hands as well. You can make this scene look even prettier and amazing. Here also get a dry leaf. What are we gonna do out of it? You have to make a structure of a butterfly. Further you have to just get it colorful. Make the patterns on the wings in this manner so as to make it look even more interesting. Decorate it further in this way. And here you have to get a leaf. Just color them up in this manner and let's see again what are we gonna do. Grab all of your sketches together. Further you have to highlight it with the help of different colors and all. Make these beautiful patterns in this manner over a leaf like this. Then get the dots all over and then make it look like this. This is gonna look pretty. Now here you have to get a shape of a circle, then get the eyes made, further the nose and the mouth part. Just make it in this manner, the hairs on the cheeks, and this is gonna look even more prettier. Decorate it with the help of leaves all around and this is pretty. Here you have to get the leaves of different shades. Now arrange them in this manner into the form of a tree. Further here you have to just get the crumbs attached in this manner and then get the shade of a pencil. You have to get it in this form and get them beautifully secured like this. This is gonna look pretty. Further here again you have to get it into the form of a Red Riding Hood. You have to make a girl going around and then get the leaves attached all over. Now here get a beautiful dress made and then a face of a girl. Further you need to arrange it in this manner, make the hands and the legs and the whole pretty face. Now you have to do it in this manner and this is gonna look absolutely pretty, isn't it? Now you can decorate the scenery further. Here also with the help of this, you have to make a beautiful lovely dress. Then you have to arrange it in this pattern and make it in this form. Keep on arranging it, get the leaves around and then what are we gonna do out of these leaves? You have to arrange the crumbs in this manner and this is gonna look absolutely pretty. Further you can decorate her further and make her look even more prettier. Now here you have to get the shape of a girl in this manner, get them attached in this way and let's see, you have to make the beautiful lovely dress gown this manner and this scenery is gonna look epic. Keep on proceeding here on this. You have to just with the help of your marker frame this and get the cutouts in this form, get the scoops out and you will enjoy this. This is gonna look amazing, right? I hope you guys have enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching the video.